NASDAQ this week has rise in value. We can see that the price continued to rise in value after the price reached this confluence of resistance. The price continued to rise value on a Monday, reaching the first resistance around 20,000 and then formed a strong bearish candle, which is also a bearish engulfing candle, and pushed the price all the way to the first support level around 19,500. From there, the price has bounced back up on a Friday, where the price continued to rise, value returning back up on the higher price levels, but the price has stopped right here, which is currently acting also a confluence of support. Now, the weekly time frame shows us that the price has trying to enter into this bullish uptrend, which will be very hard, which means a confluence of resistance for the price, and that means the bulls will need much more power to put the price above 20,000 to enter back inside this bullish trend that is the uptrend and continue to rise in value. Monthly time frame shows me currently it is a bullish candle. First of all, in the several weeks ago, we have seen that the price is making a strong bearish candle, where the price could return all the way back down. But we can see it is also a false move, because this bullish momentum has pushed the price again higher, so making this strong week. We have one more week until this month close, so we'll see what happens. But very important level for the price will be this one, which will be around 19,700, that the price needs to break above in order to open space for the further rise in value. If the price returns back down below 19,443, this will open a bearish momentum and also bearish space, that the price could return all the way back down to 18,000. We can round this to 90,000. Now, the best is to watch in the lower time frames, that is weekly and the daily. So we can see very important level for the price will be here, this one above 19,700, and also this one 20,000. Now remember that on the monthly time frame this was a very important level, that is 19,784. 19,784, we can see this is the one here, 19,800, very much more precisely, where the price needs to make a breakout in order to continue to rise value. But we can see on the daily, much more important level will be 20,000. Now, if the price returns all the way back down below 19,500, this will mean that there is open space for the price to be pushed by the sellers, and these are the very important levels for the next week. So what I'm expecting, I will watch the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, what are very important critical levels here and during the day, and I will share that with the traders inside the forum on the Get to Know Trading website. The website will be in the link below, where you also can join and also get these notifications during the day. What are also very important levels, what are the support and the resistance levels. You can also get the MT4 template to put on your PC, so you can also watch directly on your PC what are very important levels and when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.